In database operations, there may be a time when you need to clone or duplicate an existing table to a new table due to similarities in columns and attributes, either for performing a test without affecting the original table or for other personal reasons. Hello everybody, this is Naval. Today I'm going to talk about how to clone or duplicate table in SQL Server. Let's get started. Here we have a database called customer, and now we will use or copy or make a duplicate copy of TBL employee table. So these are the records or these are the columns where the TBL employee table exists. So the first criteria to copy the table is copy structure only, and we need to all columns. We need to copy all the columns. So first way to copy it is select top 0. We don't need to copy all the data. We just need to copy the structure of the table into the table name. New table name is, let's say, emp1 from the existing table. Existing table is TBL employee. This is the first way. And the second way is select star into emp2 from the existing table. Existing table is this, and I do not want to copy the data. So we need to give the conditions which is false. So we can give any conditions where 1 is not equal to 1, which is true. So 1 not equal to will be false. So it will not copy all the data. Or we can use 1 equal to 2. So it's up to us. We need to give the false information or false conditions in the where clause. So this way we can copy the structure only. So this is the query. So sorry, star. So we need to copy all the columns. So 0 record affected, and the table next is 0 record affected. So now select the table emp1 and copy it, and next emp2. So now you will see that we have copied the structure from TBL employee to emp1 and emp2. Next is I just want to copy the structure, but I do not want all the columns. I want selected columns. So how we can do it? So by these two ways we can also do it. So we just need to mention the column name over here. So I just need to copy name, comma, salary. So that's it. I want from these two tables, this table. So the same way we can do it. Now I just want to create employee 3 table, and here I just want to copy employee 4 table. So now execute it. Now you will see that we have created a table. Again we have created a table, and now check the table employee 3 and employee 4. Now you will see that there are only 2 columns in the table. So by this way, this was the second way to copy the structure only and selected column. Now I just want to copy all the data with the structure. So this is the third criteria to copy data with the structure. And I just want to copy all the columns. So here what we can do is I just want to copy the first query, and here you will see that I just want to remove this top 0. On here I just want to remove the conditions, because I just want to copy all the data without affecting or without conditioning. So here I just want to rename the table employees 5 and employee 6. Here you will see that all the data, 8 records are copied from TBL employees to AMP5. Here AMP6, 8 records are copied. So here let's select the employee 5 and here select employee 6. Here you will see that 8 records are copied from TBL employee to AMP6 and AMP5. Now I have a table and I want all the data. So that is the fourth way. I have the same structure. I just want to copy from existing table to a new existing table. So copy data only. So here you can write insert into, let's say we have a table called AMP1, because in AMP3, because in AMP3 we have copied the structure only. AMP1, I just want to copy all the data in AMP1. So let's copy the data AMP1 and I just want to copy all the data from TBL employee. Now you will see that there are no record in the AMP1 table. And if I execute this query, you will see that 8 records are copied into the AMP1 table and there are 8 records in AMP1. So there is one more way by which we can copy all the data or structure from existing table to a new table. So just click on the database. Here click on task, click on generate script. Now click on the next button and here I just want to specific columns. I just want to copy a specific table over here. So just click on the tables. I just want to copy TBL employee and here click on the next. Here I just want to copy or specify where I want to copy the query. So I want the query to be opened in a new query window. And here just click on the advanced button so that you just want the schema only, or you just want to copy the data only, or you want both schema and data. So just click on the OK and here click on the next and finish. Here the query or script to copying the structure and the data is copied over here. Here you will see that there is a script to create a table. Then again there is a script to insert the data from existing table to a new table. So this is the fifth way to copy all the data and the schema from the existing table to a new table. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the button and click on the notification so that you can get all the notification once I upload any video on this channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a nice day.